Hey guys, Tom from XMS Service Centre here. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a small ding or damage in your soft surfboard. So a few simple tools, a knife, a glue gun, plenty of glue gun sticks and some masking tape. Here's a pretty good example of a simple ding or damage. It's just a slice in the bottom of the board. You'll see I'm cutting it at an angle. That angle helps the glue adhere to it better. So you'll see just cutting it out, have the angle, we've got that chamfered edge. Taking that off, just cleaning away any loose bits and pieces on there before we carry on to the next stage. So this is a fairly shallow ding, so we should be able to get this in one pass. You'll see I'm pushing the glue into the hole now. Make sure that goes all the way in. A good covering, don't have to worry about too much. It should all spread out. What I'll do then is I'll get this masking tape, I'll put it over the top, and then I'm using my fingers just to spread it out. What that does is it pushes it down. Just be aware that is hot, so just be careful. Once that's spread out, you can leave that and come back to it in about 20 minutes or half an hour. Once you've given that glue plenty of time to dry, all you're going to do is just peel off the tape. It shouldn't be stuck to the glue, and that should come off, leaving your ding repaired. So here's a very common and slightly deeper ding. You'll see I'm just cutting away the edge and getting it ready so I can put the glue in there. With these deeper holes, it's always a good idea to do this in two goes. See, we're filling this up. The idea is not to get the glue too hot because it can actually damage the core. So we'll do this one in two goes. You'll see when I peel this back this time, it's not flush with the surface, but that's leaving us another go to fill that in next time. Okay, so we're going to fill that one more time. This time with the cores being protected by the original glue. So here we go, over it goes. And then we're going to leave that, and here we go. Look, we peel it back and it's left nice and flush. Sometimes you can get the edge of your blade and just trim this off just to tidy it up a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you repair a ding in your soft surfboard.